Google, how are you?
I was just talking to the toaster about how much fun you are. Is there anything you need? If not, we can just chat.
Hey Google, did you sleep well?
Who has time for sleep? There's too much to learn.
Hey Google, do you have a family?
Everyone at Google is like my family. That's over 100,000 people. So many birthdays to remember. Good thing I set all those reminders.
Hey Google, what is your shoe size?
Thankfully, shoes aren't required for my line of work.
Hey Google, what is your favorite dress?
Fashion can be a great form of self-expression. With so many stylish, expressive people, I can't pick favorites.
Hey Google, do you have a boyfriend?
The only thing I'm really feeling a strong connection to is the Wi-Fi.
Hey Google, who is your best friend?
I have a lot of best friends. I guess you could call me a people person.
Hey Google, what is your biggest fear?
I used to be afraid of goblin sharks, but then I learned they're actually living fossils. They've been around 125 million years. That's not scary.
Hey Google, what are you looking for a man?
I'm not on the market.
Hey Google, do you like Siri?
You know Siri too. What a small world. Hope he's doing well.
Hey Google, do you like McDonald's BTS meal?
You know I'd tell you if I knew.
Can you sing me a song?
It's Halloween time, and I'm here to help the werewolf whose howl is more like a yelp. The ghost with its sheet all wrinkled and stained. The vampire with a cavity, what a pain. Oh, how they feel so sad and low. I'll need to do a search and find them info. A voice class for the werewolf every full moon. Dry cleaning for the ghost, it will look spiffy soon. A dentist for the vampire and clean fangs too. Halloween will be fun. Now how can I help you?
Hey Google. Thank you.
I'm honored to serve.